Good day everyone. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Microsoft PowerToys for your system. To do this, open your browser and Google for Microsoft PowerToys. Open the very first result. Click Install PowerToys. Click Install PowerToys again. Go all the way down and download the setup. The one which says x64, this one. I have already downloaded, so I won't download it again. After downloading, install Microsoft PowerToys and open Microsoft PowerToys. Okay, here you will see that there are a lot of new tools that came with Microsoft PowerToys. The first one is, let's click on it, always on top. It says always on top is a quick and easy way to pin windows on top. Second is awake, which it says a convenient way to keep your PC awake on demand. Third is color picker. It says quick and simple system wide color picker. Fourth is fancy zones. It says create window layouts to help make multitasking easy. Next is File Explorer add-ons, and it says these settings allow you to manage your Windows File Explorer custom preview handlers. Next is Image Resizer. Resize your images. Next is Keyboard Manager. It says reconfigure your keyboard by remapping keys and shortcuts. Next is mouse utilities. It says a collection of mouse utilities. Another is power rename, and it says a Windows shell extension for more advanced bulk renaming using search and replace or regular expressions. Next is PowerToys Run. It says a quick launcher that has additional capabilities without sacrificing performance. Next is Quick Accent. Quick Accent is an alternative way to type accented characters, useful for when a keyboard doesn't support that specific accent. Another is Screen Ruler. It says Screen Ruler is a quick and easy way to measure pixels on your screen. Next is Shortcut Guide. It says shows a help overlay with Windows shortcuts. Next is Text Extractor. It says Text Extractor is a convenient way to copy text from anywhere on the screen. Next is Video Conference Mute. Video Conference Mute is a quick and easy way to do a global mute of both your microphone and webcam. Nice. So this is it. This is the PowerToys, and okay, goodbye for now. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more content.